Okay, dear students, in the last class we have completed problem number 9, question number 9. Okay, this class from question number 10 onwards we will try to solve the answers. Okay, see, by the help of principle of mathematical induction we have to prove this statement. 10th question, 1 divided by 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 into 8 plus 1 divided by 8 into 50, 8 into 11 plus this series goes up to 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2. Okay, this equivalent to n by 6n plus 4 we have to prove. Okay. See, small n belongs to capital N. That means n belongs to natural number they have given already. One step is over. Second step we have to take it as Pn. Okay. What I am doing, rather than writing again, I am adjusting this as Pn. But you have to write again. Okay. Now second step also over. Okay, third step, we have to show this as P1. P1 LHS is equal to RHS, we have to show. Okay, let us see. P1 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1. 3 into 1 3 minus 1 2. 1 by 2 1 by 2. 3 into 1 plus 2. 3 plus 2 5. 3 into 5. Sorry, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 1 by 2 into 5. Okay, this will be LHS. RHS you see 1 by 6 plus 4. Why? Because n is 1 means 6 plus 4 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 will be RHS. That means 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10 has come. That is why you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. After finishing of this first step, what you have to write? Pn is true at n is equal to 1. Let us write Pn is true at n is equal to 1. Is it okay? Okay. Now next step, let us go for P of k. Okay, P of k we have to write P of k. Simply you replace n with k. Okay, write pk. P of k colon 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 plus 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2. Okay, is equal to k by 6k plus 4. Okay, this will be your pk. After writing this statement p of k, important step you have to write. What? Assume pk is true. Yes. Why? Because see here pn is true we have found. At 1, pn they have given. But pk we have written. But we don't know. That is why we have to assume. Assume pk is true. Let us write assume pk is true. Okay, assume pk is true. Further, next step is p of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 we have to write. Okay, let us write p of k plus 1 also. P of k plus 1. How to write? You write up to k plus extension. K plus 1. 1 means up to 1. 2 means up to 2. 3 means up to 3. K means up to k. K plus 1 means up to k plus 1. That means k plus 1. Okay, write down. 1 by 2.5. 1 by 5 into 8 plus. Okay, I will write this here. 1 by you first you copy this. Why? Because this plus k plus 1. This is k. K plus 1 also has to come, but after k will come. Is it okay? Up to k. K plus 1. For k plus 1, wherever k is there, you replace with k plus 1. You simply observe carefully how I am writing. Why? Because here k is not addition. K is multiplying. Multiplying. Directly also we can write. We have got experience. Why? Because see, k into plus k plus 1 means 3k plus 3 minus 1. 3k plus 2 you can write. But if you want to take one more step, you take. Okay. How I am writing, you see, 3 into k plus 1 minus 1. Okay. 3 into k plus 1 plus 2. K plus 1 plus 2. Finally, what will happen? 3k definitely will come, plus 3 minus 1, plus 3 minus 1 plus 2, plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. That will come. Okay, let it be. That we will replace, simplify afterwards. Why? Because if I don't write like this, you may get confused. You have to write. Then the mistake is going to avoid. Or else directly if you write k plus 1 minus 1, that is going to give wrong answer. Okay, that is equal. This is LHS. RHS is simple only. RHS is not a big one. K plus 1 by 6 into, here also you write like this only, plus 4. You see what is happening here? 6k plus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 10 will come. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You box it, RHS. Why? Because finally you have to prove this one. K plus 1. K plus 1 by 6k plus 1 plus 4. That means 6k plus 10. 6k plus 10 you have to show. If you simplify this, 6k plus 10 will come. Okay. Now, important another step we have to write. What? To prove pk plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, that you have to write right now. To prove p of k plus 1, comma, LHS is equal to RHS. That means you have to prove pk plus 1. That's all. LHS is equal to RHS. If you prove, automatically the statement is going to be what we can say, verified and found true. Like, okay. See now, let us take LHS. LHS we will take, and we will modify the LHS. LHS is equal to, you see LHS, if you see 1 divided by 2 into 5 up to 1 divided by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 1, this equivalent value we know, k by 6k plus 1. The same has been repeated here up to here. Replace this with k by 6k plus 4. Okay, plus. Now you write this one. Up to here, k by 6k plus 1 plus this one. You have to take only LHS. RHS you have to prove. RHS you don't disturb now. We know 6k plus 10 will come. That's all. Okay. K plus 1 by 6k plus 10 you have to bring from LHS. Okay. You see here while writing simplify now itself. Why? Because see 3k plus 3 minus 1. I am writing, you see, 3k plus 3 minus 1. What will come? Plus 2 will come. Okay, directly I am writing plus 2. Okay, here also 3k plus 3 plus 2. You see 3k plus 3 plus 2. Plus 3 plus 2 means plus 5 will come. I am writing directly plus 5. Okay? Okay, now you see here 6k plus 4. 6k plus 4 you can take common 2. 2 if you take common, 2 into 3k plus 2 will come. Why? Because 3k plus 2 is there. That is why I am telling to take common. Okay. We will do here that thing. Okay. You see how I am changing. See, cross multiplication you have to do, or else LCM also you can take. LCM also you can take. But let us do cross multiplication. K into 3k plus 2, 3k plus 5, okay, into k. This one into k plus 6k into plus. Now here I am, what I am doing, you see, 2 into, okay, 3k plus 2. Is it correct? You see, 6k plus 4 only will come. You see, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4. 6k plus 4. Okay. Why? Because see, 3k plus 2 common we can take afterward. That's what I have made this. Okay. See, now we have not taken LCM. We have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means this, even though 3k plus 2 into 2 is there, again you have to write. You write 2 into 3k plus 2. This one over, again this one. 3k plus 2, 3k plus 5. Now, entire the thing is depends on this simplification. Simplify this and bring this. See, here what you have to do, you are proving what is going to come. We don't know, like that you don't think. You know what is going to come. It is going to come. Numerator going to come 3 plus 1, sorry, k plus 1. Denominator is going to come 6k plus 10. That you know. Like that only you have to think and bring this. Okay. How I am bringing, you see, simply observe. What I am going to do, I am going to remove up to here. Okay. You note down first by passing video. Up to Pn is true, I am going to remove and I am going to simplify this here. I want to bring this one. Okay. Okay, see, same thing I am writing here again, but with modification. Okay, how I am writing, you see. Now what I am going to do, 3k plus 2 I am taking common. 3k plus 2. Let us take common 3k plus 2. Why? Because we have to cancel out it. 3k plus 2 if you take common, downside all multiplication is there. You need not take common. You can cross easily. 3k plus 2 if you take common, 3k plus 5 into k. 3k plus 5 into k. Okay, this is this side. Plus 2. Okay, divided by, same thing you write again. I am writing first 3k plus 2. Why? Because we can cancel easily. Into 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Okay. Okay, let it be. We will see. Okay. See, I have crossed this 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2. Like that you think. I am writing the remaining thing. Okay. See, you send this k inside. 3k square plus 5k plus 2 divided by, and here you see 6k plus 10 has to come. Okay, let it be. You write this one. 2 into 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Okay. That is equal to. Now 3k plus 2 has got cancelled. 3k square plus 5k plus 2. 6k plus 4. See, this is into multiplication is there. Okay. Now you keep this like this only. Why? Because see, here what we have to do. This step is very important for us now. What has to come? K plus 1 by 6k plus 10 has to come. Okay. Numerator k plus 1 has to come means what we have to do? See, you can divide this numerator by k plus 1. Two form it will come. You see what I am going to tell. In answer k plus 1, you think k plus 1 is equal to 3. Say for example, here some 12 is there. Then how to write this numerator? You can write 3 into 4 numerator. Then 3 get cancelled. Why? Because k plus 2 down is there. Not there. Let us see. K plus 1. 3 into 4 you can write. See, this 3 is going to left, but 4, the denominator 4 may come. Then you can cancel out each other. Like that you have to think. Here two options are there. One option, by seeing numerator, you proceed. Sorry, by seeing RHS, you proceed. That is best. Another one, see, this is quadratic equation. You can solve. If you solve automatically, 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 like that will come answer. But that system, if you follow, that may not help for all. Why? Because now quadratic is there. Next question cube may come. If cube comes, again you have to follow this only, k plus 1 only. What I am going to do, I am dividing with k plus 1. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay, this is rough work only. K plus 1. Why I am dividing k plus 1? Why? Because k plus 1 has to come. That is why. Okay, I am writing, you see, 3k square plus 5k plus 2. I am dividing with k plus 1. Dividing with k plus 1. Okay, you see, k square has to come means 3k you have to take. 3k I have taken. 3k into k, 3k square. Okay. Plus 3k into 1, 3k. Okay. 3k square get cancelled. 5k minus 3k, 2k. 2k plus 2 will come. You see, for coming 2k plus 2 you have to take. 2 into k, 2k, 2 into 1, 2. Okay, over. That means k plus 1 into 3k plus 2, you can write this one, numerator. You write. Why? Because see, bottom 3k plus 2 is there. 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2 going to get cancelled. Like that we have to think. Okay, you understand now how I am doing it? Okay, write down. K plus 1 into 3k plus 2 divided by, last you take 2 into 3k plus 5 into 3k plus 2. You see now 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2 you cancel out, and 2k, 6k plus 10 is going to come. 2k plus 1, k plus 1 by 6 plus 10. Answer has come. So how it has come? Because by seeing RHS you have proceeded. That is very important. If you don't see RHS blindly, if you do quadratic equation like what is desired result, if you don't know, you are not going to proceed further. Okay, in a proper way. You are going to waste your time. See, this will come for higher marks in examination, not for objective. That is why you have to do this calculation. Okay, now you see 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2 got cancelled. What I am writing, you see here, k plus 1 by 2 into 3, 6k plus 2 into 5, 10. Okay, this is equal to RHS. You see here also 6k plus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 6k plus 10. 6k plus 10 has come. Now what you can write? You can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence PN is true. Yes, same thing you can write. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, hence P of N is true. Okay? Note down this question. We will go for 11th question. How I have proceeded by seeing RHS, this is very important, crucial. Or else you are not going to achieve the answer. Why? Because in the next question, cube will come. You see, next question or another one. This is 10th question. 11th or 12th, cube also will come. Then cube comes means like quadratic equation you cannot solve. See, this k plus 1 into 3k plus 2 you can write by quadratic simplification also. But that is not proper way to proceed. Why? Because by seeing RHS only you proceed. Rather you divide with k plus 1. That's all. That is very logical. Okay. Let us go for 11th question. Okay, you see the 11th question. What they have given? 11th question. 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus dash 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 up to 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. That is equal to n into n plus 3 by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This you have to prove by principle of mathematical induction. N belongs to capital N, natural number they have already given. First step over. Second step I am changing this as P and you see, but you don't change, you have to repeat again. Okay, P of N. Write down P of N. Okay, proposition I have made already. 2 steps are over. Third step is P of 1. Find P of 1. P of 1. You see LHS 1 into 2 into 3. You see 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. First one only will come. 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to, you see 1 into 4. Why? Because 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 2 is 3. You see 4 get cancelled. 1 by 6, 1 by 6. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now what you have to write? You have to write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Same thing you write. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is very important. This step you have to write. Okay, don't miss this step. Okay, now Pk, P of k also you have to write. P of k. Write down P of k. You simply copy P of n. P of n you copy 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus 1 by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. That is equal to k into k plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Is it okay? Okay? This is for Pk. Okay, see, after writing Pk, one important step you have to write. Assume Pk is true. Yes, definitely you have to write that one. Okay, write down. Assume Pk is true. Write down. Assume P of k is true. This is very important. This you have to write. Okay, assume Pk is true also you have to write. Okay, next step is P of k plus 1 you have to find. Find the P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 you have to write. 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus. Okay, you first write this one. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, plus another one step. See, wherever k is there, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. You have to write. Here k plus 1 will come, k plus 2 will come, k plus 3 will come. Okay? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Okay? Is it okay? This is okay. You see, this is LHS only. RHS, what you have to write? RHS, you see, k plus 1 into k plus 4. Why? Because k plus 1 plus 3, k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 2. Why? Because k plus 1 means k plus 1 plus 1. Okay? K plus 2 means k plus 3. This you box now. Why? Because finally you have to prove this one. RHS. Okay? You have to prove this one. You see, k plus 1 numerator is there, k plus 2 denominator. No. Here k plus 2 has to come now. Why? Because see, already k plus 1 is there. K plus 1, k plus 4, k plus 2, k plus 3. K plus 2 will come here. Okay, I have made some mistake. K plus 2 has to come. Why? Because k plus 1 already is there. 4 into k, in place of k, k plus 1 will come. K plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. Okay, you see, if you observe k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4, all are different divided by 4. All are different. Okay, now another step we have to write. To prove Pk plus 1, LHS is equal to RHS. Write down. To prove P of k plus 1, LHS is equal to RHS. This is very important. Because this is you have to prove. And you have to take LHS also. Take LHS. Okay, LHS if you take automatically up to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2, you have got this result. This result you copy. K into k plus 3 divided by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus. k into k plus 3, 4 into k plus 1, k plus 2. Okay, plus this one 1 by k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Okay, this one up to here we have replaced this plus this one. See, now what can you do? See, RHS you don't disturb, RHS you have to prove. RHS has to come finally. But you see here, rather than cross multiplying, let us take LCM. Why? Because k plus 1, k plus 2 in both are there. Here 4 extra, here k extra, 3 extra, k plus 3. We take LHS, you see how I am writing. Why? Because you have to know this also process, LHS process also. First you this write this one 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. But here k plus 2 is there, k plus 3 is not there. You write k plus 3. Is it okay for LCM? Huh? Okay. Now you see here k plus 3 is not there. Then multiply k plus 3. If you multiply already k plus 3 is there. K plus 3 square. K into k plus 3 square. Right now. K into k plus 3 square plus. Why? Because plus is there. See here all 3 are there but 4 is not there. That is why multiply with 4. 4. Okay. You understand how it has come? Okay. We have taken LCM. Okay. While taking this, you k plus 1 and all, you simply think this is A, B, C. Like that, if you think automatically R4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, if you think in mind, then you can get this LCM. Okay. Now, what I am going to do, you see, up to this P1 I am removing. Okay. You note down first by passing the video. Up to Pn I am removing. After removing, I am going to do further calculation. I want to bring this one. Okay. 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 See, let us continue. This LHS only you have to modify further. That is equal to. See, you don't have any other option rather than expanding. You have to expand. Okay, or else you don't have any other option. Why? Because see here nothing is common. You expand first. Let us see after expansion, any k plus 2 square, k plus 3 square, k plus 1 square comes finally, sorry, after expansion. Now even k plus 3 is there, but you cannot take common and cancel out. After simplification, if any common item has come, then we can cancel out. Okay, let us do. We don't have any other option. Okay, now see after expansion only you have to multiply. K into k square plus 6k plus 9 plus 4 divided by this expansion we are doing k square plus 6k 2 into 3 into k 2ab plus 3 square plus 4 divided by this repeat 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay. Okay. That is equal to. Okay. Now you send k inside, k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Okay. Now you stop and think. Now can you take anything common? Why? Because cube form it is come, cube has come, but even though you cannot take common anything. Now you have to proceed by seeing this RHS. What you can do, you see here, simply if you observe denominator k plus 1 is there, here k plus 1 is not there. That means if you divide this numerator with k plus 1, some result is going to come. K plus 1 into something, then k plus 1 is going to get cancelled. Afterwards, further you have to think by seeing this. Further, you can modify k plus 1 to k plus 4 like, that is the option you don't have. Why? Because if you see 4k plus 2, k plus 3 matched, 4k plus 2, k plus 3 matched, you have to remove this k plus 1. K plus 1 for removing, you have to divide this numerator with k plus 1. That only the option. Okay? Let us do. Let us do. How I am doing here, you simply observe. Okay? Okay, you see, k cube, I wants to take it out k plus 1 from this one. Okay? K plus 1. Okay, you see, k plus 1 means k square. If you take automatically k square into k cube, plus k square into 1, k square. What will come? 5k square plus 9k. Is it okay? Okay. See, again for coming k square, here k you have to write, but 5 is there, 5k. If 5k is there, automatically 5k square will come. Okay, 5k square has come. Plus 5k into 1, 5k will come. But 9k minus 5k, 4k. 4k plus 4 will come. Okay, I don't have space, that is why I am writing side. This is rough calculation only. Now 4k plus 4 is there, k plus 1 is there. If you take plus 4, 4 into k, 4k, 4 into 1, 4 over. Now this one, k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 5k, we can write k plus 1 into k square plus 5k plus 4. That's what I wanted to say. Write down. That is equal to k plus 1 into k square plus 5k plus 4 divided by, now you write k plus 1 first, then 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. How I have written, you understand na? There? Now I am going to remove this calculation. This is rough calculation only, but very important. Okay. Now we are at finishing. Now you see k plus 1 are get cancelled. Then you write again. What is there? That is equal to k square plus 5k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Again you compare 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Numerator you should not do anything. Why? Because denominator has matched RHS. Whatever you want to do, you do numerator only. Denominator you don't do anything. See, numerator has to come k plus 1 into k plus 4. Okay. Simply you observe, is it k plus 1 into k plus 4? You see, k into k square, k square. K into 4, 4k. K into 1, 1k. 4k plus 1k, 5k, 5k. 4 into 1, 4, 4. Simply you write this RHS here then. Okay, you understand now what I want to say. K plus 1 into k plus 4 divided by 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Understand now? Then you box it, write LHS is equal to RHS. You write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, P of n is true. Okay? Whatever the box, geeks and all you want to make, you make. You understand now how I have received this answer? See, LHS you can take and you can modify, but finally, here this step is very crucial for you. Why? Because see here k plus 1 is not there. In this way you have to think. Okay, thinking power you have to do. This is deduction, deducing only. After thinking only you are going to get these answers. Okay, let us go for 12th question. The 12th question. A plus AR plus AR square plus dash 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 A into R power n minus 1 is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay. This you have to prove by principle of mathematical induction. N belongs to capital N, they have given. First step over, we did not write again. Second step, this has to be taken as Pn. I am taking this as Pn by writing again. By writing again means I have written again like you think, and I am writing here, you see, Pn, proposition n. Now we don't require problem number, but we have got proposition. This Pn we have to prove. Now this Pn we have to prove. Okay, 2 steps are over. Third step is P1. Write down P1. How to write? P of 1. P of 1 colon. You see, in place of n we write 1. In place of n, if we write 1, 1 minus 1, 0. R power 0 is 1. 1 into A. A will come in LHS. RHS also, you see. R power n is 1, but here no 0. Why? Because not minus 1. But R minus 1 divided by R minus 1 going to get cancelled. A will come. A. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. After this, what you have to write? You have to write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Now we have finished 3 steps. N belongs to capital N, Pn, P1. Fourth step is Pk. You write down Pk. P of k. P of k colon. Simply copy Pn. AR square plus A into R power k minus 1. A into R power k minus 1. Okay, Pk. That is equal to A into R power k minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay, is it okay? Okay. But another important step we have to write. What is that? Assume Pk is true. Yes, definitely you have to write this. Okay, write down. Assume Pk is true. Okay, this you have to write. Afterwards, Pk plus 1. Pk plus 1 also you have to proceed. Let us proceed for Pk plus 1. P of k plus 1 colon. Simply by seeing Pk you copy A plus AR square plus AR power k minus 1 you have to write. But this is up to k only. K plus 1 means further one step. AR power, you see k plus 1 minus 1. K. Okay. K plus 1 minus 1. See R power k plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 going to get cancelled. K will come. Okay. That is equal to A into R power. Here k in place of k plus 1 will come. Minus 1 divided by R minus 1. What you have to do? You box this. You box this one. Finally, you have to prove this one. A into R power k plus 1 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This you have to bring by taking LHS. You wrote down first. Another step is there. Another step is to prove Pk plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. That also you have to write. You write. To prove P of k plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. P of k plus 1 LHS, if you prove RHS automatically, you have done by proving by mathematical induction like. Okay, next you see, let us take LHS. LHS of this P of k plus 1. LHS is equal to, you see, while taking LHS, you see up to here, A to A into R power k minus 1, you have got some result, this one. You copy this plus AR power k, you write. Okay, you write down A into R power k minus 1 divided by R minus 1 plus A into R power k divided by 1. Why I have written divided by? You see, you take LCM or cross multiplication, you require this one. Okay, that is equal to, don't take RHS, you have to take LHS only, but you have to prove RHS. Cross multiplication simply, why? Because 1 is there. 1 is there means LCM cross multiplication both are same. 1 into A, that means A into R power k minus 1. Okay, this one over plus. See, R minus 1 into A into R power k divided by R minus 1 into 1 means R minus 1. Okay. Now we write here. Why? Because we have to do some expansion. Why? Because you send a inside a into r power k. Write down a into r power k minus a plus you send a into r power k inside. You see r power k, r power 1, r power k plus 1. You write down a into r power k plus 1 minus a into r power k. Why? Because 1 is there. Okay, we write this with different color. Why? Because red. Okay. Again I am writing, you see, a into r power k minus a plus a into r power k plus 1 minus a into r power k divided by r minus 1. Okay. Okay. You see, if we compare here, a into r power k plus minus a into r power k, these two are going to get cancelled. Rather than writing minus first, you write plus first. A into r power k plus 1 minus a divided by r minus 1. Is it okay? Okay. Again, you take a common. A, if you take common, r power k plus 1 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Is it the RHS you see there? A into r power k plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay. What you have to write now? LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, Pn is true. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, Pn is true. Like you write and close this question. Now we have finished it. This is 12th question. What we do? We stop here in this class. Next class, we will try to solve from 13 to remaining questions. Okay. Thank you very much.